Here with the Koda 16 UPS homie, showed up, dropped it off, so stuck peeping out the window, out the blinds all day. Neighbors probably like, what's going on? It arrived. This is what it shows up in. You know, you can tell it's a pizza oven right off the bat, so it came signature required. Probably a good thing. I wouldn't want this thing sitting out because I'd be like, man, that looks like a delicious way to make some pizza. Let's get this thing open. Pretty good sized box, I mean, but it wasn't that hard to carry. I don't know. I might, hit up one of your homies to get it up the stairs or something like that. Just be careful. Box came a little bit damaged. I don't know, somebody be peeping inside or something. I don't know, but it looks like it's okay. All right, getting in this thing. See what we got first. Oh, pretty cool packaging. Pull this thing out. What do we got here? We got the box inside the box. Got the box inside the box situation under control. Pulled this thing out. Took a little bit of manhandling, but it's not a big deal. It looks like this thing just slides right out. Oh, pops open just like this. Oh, all right, cool. What do we got in here? Claim your 3-year warranty. Always good to claim. No, most people probably forget that one. A little the essentials guide. Looks like some quick start. Tips for launching the pizza, some recipes. Looks like a pretty good little set. Get this thing in. This is what I'm interested in. I don't know. Do you always read that part first? I gotta get into the box. It looks like they got the stone on top. This is, or they're calling it a baking board on here. This is the precious part. You always want to make sure that thing shows up all good. No cracks. Get it out of here. Oh, this thing's looking pretty nice. All right, we'll just leave that in there. Keep it in safekeeping. The manual and safety care instructions. So this is like the fatty. Oh, in case you get the English directions messed up, can figure out what light pizza means. Up next, the gas line and regulator. That's what's sweet about this thing. It's got, fire this thing up super quick. Let's see what's inside here. This packaged up pretty nice. This thing's pretty big. So I was wondering, I've never had one of these outdoor little mobile ovens before. Really pumped to fire it up and was curious about how big it is. It's actually pretty good size. I've always thought, man, it'd be fun to take one of these camping, so maybe that'll happen. Get this thing out of here. Oh yeah, it's pretty good size. Pick it up. All right, look at this bad boy. All right, get it up into its spot. Got the hose dangling. This thing up here and just kind of clear my workspace out. Take a look, get this thing all set up. Unloaded everything from the Ooni Koda 16 box. This thing is like actually pretty surprisingly light. It's pretty pumped. It's a little bit maybe bulky to carry around with you everywhere, but I think it's possible. It's really light. The stone looks pretty good to me. I think it's like 15 millimeters or saying on that. So this is what you get when you just order a Ooni Koda 16. Comes in the box with the oven, the line, and the regulator. I was noticing the one it comes with, it's a little short probably for my use. I'm gonna get a fattier one to run so I can put this tank, stash it in the back. I assume people could probably rig it up if you got gas run out to your backyard or something like that. Also, that came in with the box. The essentials guide, the warranty, don't forget, and the fatty manual along with this guy, to help you out while you're baking. And so we got that out, got the stone. First I'm gonna get the legs up. I thought you might have to use like a screwdriver or something. This thing is painless. Pop it out and it's just 3 legs that are already screwed in there. You just kind of carefully lift it up and pop them down. Got the third leg, it's a 3-legger. And the back one up here. There we go. Make sure it's all out there. Don't want that thing falling down. Oh yeah, that looks good to me. I mean, how simple can it be? I think next up, I'm gonna get it on the regulator. I just hook it up to the tank before I pop that stone in. Always want to take good care of this thing because if it cracks, you're having a bad day. I mean, it's super simple. Everything's already screwed in. Make sure your tank's off when you're turning it on. I think that's pretty much no-brainer, but you never know out there. And make sure you got like a good seal on this one that's going on. tight, but not too tight. Goldilocks style. Got the little warning, remove before use. Do not look directly in the oven when lighting. And fire watchers out there, it's hard sometimes because you want to look at it, make sure the thing lights, but you know, protect your eyes. Maybe use sunglasses. Get this thing, don't drop it. Popping it in here. Looks like it just slides right in. Alright. It's being a little too gentle, but I'm pretty pumped on this thing, so try and keep it as fresh as possible for a little bit. Got that on there. Alright, let's see how this thing works. Gonna turn my gas line on. Alright. Got it all hooked up. Ooni recommends like a 30-minute burn off. I kind of expected that, so don't be thinking like you're just gonna turn this thing on, be instant pizza. You gotta chill at least for a little bit. It's all dialed. Got the knob over here. It says to push, hold in, and it should light 3 seconds and then hold 5 more. We'll give it a try. Staying clear. I took the stickers off, so now I have to remember, don't look at the flame, but I'll probably still look. Give it a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it is up and burning. Look at that thing. Look at it go with the L flame. Dude, this thing's looking fat. I can't wait. 30-minute burn off on this. Cool it down. I got my dough tempering right now. Gotta figure it out. I mean, I think it's gotta be a marg for the first one. This oven's looking fat. The Koda 16, you can put a big pizza in there. I'm pumped on this thing. Some of the other portable ones, a little smaller. I like the size of this. No door, no smokestack. Looking good to me. Can't wait for a pie in this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and more pizza videos to come. Like, subscribe, you know the deal. Santa Barbara Baker, santabarbarabaker.com. Santa Barbara Baker on Instagram. Pizza time, one love. Man, look at that L flame fatty.